Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and a good deal. Features also include traction control, bucket seats, power outlet, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitoring system. Take a ride in the 2011 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, rear defrost, FWD, child safety locks, bucket seats, reading lamps front, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.